welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I was working by myself. Went ahead and threw on some couplings for these 1-inchers, which is coming in to this kind of electrical closet, but also kind of like a data closet. So basically what I had to do was I'm piping down into this panel with a junction box. It's going to be for a shutdown. So this is what it looked like at the beginning of the day with just the pipes up in the ceiling, just an empty wall with a pipe and some wires going across for some low voltage stuff. So this is what it looked like I said, at the beginning of the day. And then this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Doesn't look like much, but I did have the box mounted. I got all my measurements, which you'll see here in a second, for all my holes. So I got all these struts. The back struts are all toggle bolted to the wall, super tight. And then I went ahead and did a second layer just because I had to get over those low voltage wires. So I had to double up on that. And I was going to do a strap support, which I would have had to stack 3 struts, but that didn't work out because the pipe is going to 90 into the box because I'm using 18 by 18. So there's literally like 1 inch, and there was no room to strap over a coupling, which would have been dumb and wouldn't have even worked. So anyways, I mounted the box and I just took it down and I took it back to the laydown, and I measured all my holes evenly, got those marked out and drilled out. These are for there's going to be 4 conduits which are going to go into the panel, and some of those are going to be spares, some of them are going to be used. This is the top of the box right here, which the 2 pipes that are in the wall right now are going to 90 into, and these are the 90s right here. I got got pretty much everything done. It just has to be put back together on top of the wall, but the box will have to get taken down for the shutdown so we can drill out the holes that are eventually going to go into the panel, because the box is going to be in the way because there's only like 6 inches below this 18 by 18, so it's a pretty tight spot. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Got some more videos coming out for you guys soon. Probably not today, but it's probably going to be on Sunday. I'm going to work on the electric charger, Tesla charger video, so that's going to be a huge video. So I'm going to try to take my time on that and make a really good job of a video, do a really good job on the video, and that should turn out pretty well. So look for that on Sunday, but other than that, thank you so much for stopping by. That's all I got for you guys. Stay safe, God bless, and have an awesome weekend. Peace.